Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the gravy guy. It's Saturday, so I'm going to show you how to make an easy homemade sauce. A simple but delicious Alfredo sauce. One that you can make with three main ingredients: pasta, butter, and Parmesan. So let me show you how to make it. Work with the pasta first. Round up a sauce pot, drop in some water, bring it to a boil, and add some salt. Add the large pasta of your choice. I'm using fettuccine, 16 ounces or 454 grams. Mix the pasta into the water and cook it for a little less than the manufacturer's instructions. My instructions say to cook it for 11 minutes, so I'm going to go 2 minutes less to 9. While the pasta is boiling, you can start working on your butter. Grab a saucepan and drop in 5 tablespoons or 70 grams of unsalted butter. Remember those meals that made you feel at home? Well, they're back with the Sauce and Gravy channel's second cookbook, Comfort Foods Made Simply. Filled with scratch-made classics you'll be proud to serve. Creamy sauces, slow simmered flavor. No cans, no shortcuts, just real cooking. Step-by-step recipes, real ingredients, and QR codes to transport you to free video tutorials to help guide you. Cook with confidence, share with love. These are the meals they'll never forget. See the link in the video's comment and description section to order now. Real comfort starts now. Melt the butter down and then take the saucepan off heat. Now back to the pasta. Once the pasta is just about done, round up a measuring cup and ladle in 3 cups or 750 milliliters of the pasta water. Next, drain the pasta, and if for some reason you just want to keep that pasta water just in case, you can drain it into a large mixing bowl. Moving forward, round up the saucepan with the butter in it, turn it on low heat, and add your pasta. Give it all a quick mix. Now it's time to round up the freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I'm using 2 cups or approximately 200 grams. Add the Parmesan in batches, mix it in. Pour in a touch of the pasta water and then mix it in as well. Repeat the process until you've added all of the Parmesan and most, if not all, of the pasta water. Keep stirring and mixing over low heat until the Parmesan cheese and pasta water forms a light Alfredo sauce. Whenever the cheese sauce coats the pasta, you're ready to move on to the final step: lightly seasoning the pasta. Spank on a touch of black pepper and add a dash of salt to your taste. And that's it. That's all there is to it. In roughly 15 minutes, you made a delicious, rich, and hearty Alfredo sauce. The only thing left to do is pile it on a plate and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And hey, you know what? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching. And remember, until next Saturday, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.